Hey everybody, today I'm going to make some vape fluid or e-liquid or whatever you want to call it. I'm a vapor and I used to buy fluid all the time, and I would get like a 30 ml bottle or 60 ml. This is 60 ml, and it would cost me about $30 to $40 for a 60 milliliter bottle. And I decided, this is ridiculous. I'm spending way too much money on this. So I looked into it, and now I'm making my own fluid, and it's saving me a ton of money. So I buy all my supplies from Dash Vapes. So they sell fluid as well, but I buy the DIY stuff. And you could buy the bottles, you can buy the squeeze bottles, you can buy the flavors, you buy your nicotine there, you buy the vegetable glycerin, the propylene glycol, so vegetable glycerin is VG, propylene glycol PG is what dilutes the VG. Anyways, they have a whole bunch of flavors you can buy, like strawberry, kiwi, blueberry, you name it, they've got it. And then I go over to eliquidrecipes.com, and I've got all my flavors in there. So my flavor stash, and these are all the flavors that I have. And then what I do is I click on what can I make, and Sherlock Holmes does his little thing there. And these are all the recipes that I can make with the flavors that I have. And some of these are 5 stars, 4 stars, and some of them not even rated yet. I usually try and stick with the ones that are 4 stars or up, because they've been tried and tested and everything like that. I hate wasting fluid on stuff. So anyways, this is how I make fluid. So the flavor I'm going to make today is called Nuka Berry. It's got apple, blue raspberry, cotton candy, kiwi, and raspberry sweet. I'm going to make a 30 milliliters. This is a 60 milliliter bottle. I'm going to make 30 milliliters because I've never tried this one before. So we'll give this a try. Anyways, to start off, put it on the scale. Turn the scale on. By the way, the scale I picked up at Dash Vapes. So they've, like I said, they sell everything there. First thing we put in is the nicotine at 2.17 grams. I go by weight. It's a lot easier than trying to measure milliliters. What does it say? 2.17. I always have my nicotine in a squeeze bottle, because if you ever get it on your fingers, it's pure nicotine going into your skin, and that's not fun, trust me. Been there, done that. So tear that, new level, apple 2.5. There we go, 2.5. Reset that scale. Blue raspberry cotton candy. What is that? 1.5. Well, I went a little bit over on that one, but that's okay. Next up is kiwi double. That one is at 2.25. Perfect. And then after that is raspberry sweet. Now it's interesting, this recipe did not call for any PG. How much does this take? 1.2. There we go, 1.2. So yeah, this recipe didn't call for any of the PG. because all the flavors are PG based. So the flavors already dilute the VG. If there wasn't enough flavor, then I would add the PG. Or sorry, yeah, PG. Then I would add the PG to mix it up. And last but not least is the VG, the vegetable glycerin, at 26.17 grams. Now this I gotta be careful with because it's got a small opening. Oh, I went a little bit over on that, but that's okay. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Put the lid on, shake, 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 turn that puppy off. And now we'll put some in the vape. This is called a shaken vape. So it doesn't need time to steep, but if you do let it steep, the flavors become a little bit more enhanced, and it really changes the flavor quite a bit. There we go, that should be enough to give it a taste test. Oh, that's nice. So yeah, anyways, that's how easy it is to make vape fluid. It's very simple. The initial setup with the scale and some extra bottles and the flavoring and the PG and the VG and everything, you know, probably was around $150. But that gave me pretty much a liter of vape fluid. And considering these guys, 60 milliliters are like, we'll say $30. You know, it's what, it's like $450 to make a liter. So I'm saving myself like $300. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. And till later, peace.